Hi everyone, welcome to Accounting 116B. In this video, I just want to give you a quick tour of Canvas since this is a new system for us at Mesa College. So here I am on the home page, and you can see there's a little bit of information for me. And when you want to get ready to start with the course, you can click here, or you can come over here to all of the system menus. This is where I tend to do it. But if we click here, this takes you right to the modules page. So the modules page is going to be where all of your assignments are for every week. So for the first week, you will be doing getting started in this course and module 1. So you just click on the first page, and that takes you through, and then you just keep clicking next. Okay? Also, I want to show you in the modules what a typical module for the course looks like. So let's come down to module 1, click on the welcome. I'm just going to click through this kind of quickly. So you'll see information, you will see videos that help you, you will see different types of diagrams or pictures in there to help with your learning. And you just keep clicking next to go through. So when you see something like this, that means there's multiple pages. Just keep clicking on them to get to all the pages. There you go. So I will be sending you at least 2 announcements every week. You can find your announcements here. It'll say no announcements right now because I have everything dated, but the announcements will pop up. So when you first come into the class, there should be already announcements populated. So you'll get 1 announcement each week that talks about introducing you to the material that you're going to be learning for the week and the assignments for the week. And then about midweek, you'll be getting a second email from me, and I'll be saying, hey, just want to follow up with you, checking in. If you're having any difficulties or questions or concerns, make sure you contact me. And oh, by the way, here are the assignments that are due. To find the syllabus, you'll find it right here. You can click this link to actually download the syllabus. I encourage you to do that. You can also see it right here. And then below that is all of the different summary. It's a summary of the course and when things are due. So you have that there. I'm also going to take us to page 14 of this, because at the end of the syllabus is a tentative class schedule, and I would encourage you to print that off as well. Okay? We went over modules, assignments. So if you want a one-shop stop for all of your assignments, here they are in order. And you just go right down there, click on this page, and that'll help you do it as well. Discussions. For discussions, I want to point something out to you. So your first one will be the discussion board number 1, clearly. Here's what I want you to make sure that you do. You need to come into this assignment. It's not going to show it to you yet because it's not unlocked. But there are 2 due dates. There is a due date for you to reply to this initial post, and then a second due date for you to reply to classmates. Both due dates are on the schedule, okay? So that calendar that I showed you, they're on there. They're also in the announcements. They're also on this assignment. But when you look under the assignments tab and you look for a discussion board, it only gives you the second due date. So please be aware that there are 2 due dates, okay? If you want to look at grades, you just click grades. And keep you up we'll keep you posted on that. They can just go right down through there. Okay. I'm trying to see Net Tutor. So if you need any, that we have an online tutoring system that's 365, 24/7, 365. You just click on it. It's not going to do it because I am not a student, but you'll be fine. You just click it. And let's see. Now over here on the main menu, you can go into your account. You can click profile. It's not going to let me do it again because I am not a student. But you can add your picture. You can update when you want to receive things. It's all there for you. If you want to see all of the courses that you are or you want to move about, you can click courses. It'll list them here. If you want to see pictures, you'll click dashboard. It's not going to again let me do it because, but you'll see all of the different course shells for yourself. Calendar, as you can see, the assignments are in there as well. If you email me, you'll email me through Canvas. I'll respond. You'll see a little number. It's not going to let me do it again. I'm so sorry. But that's your mailbox in Canvas for corresponding back and forth, at least with me. Okay. Then the last thing is a help. So if you have any questions, there's all kinds of helps. So you can list them here and click on those and try those. So that is a quick overview of Canvas. I hope that this helps you. Let me know, and I'm looking forward to having you in class. Take good care of yourself. We'll see you soon.